did, but you still on the day so now I chat one bag of fuckery, brother. You did. And I straight things and I make people feel as if say, yo, brother, man sick in my head, brother, and you know say man been go through bumbuckler things. You know that. You know the thing them when I go through, brother, because you are part of the people them who diss me up. And you help them diss me. You did. Fine, in a year I'm let me link you about unity, bro. I link you about unity. Early this year. Send you a whole fucking paragraph. Post it on IG. Post it on Twitter. Just forget your blood clot attention. Just to make the people them know which part my meds there. I put out all a fucking tweet and say, yo, brother, we need to start unify, brother. I put out a tweet to say, yo, brother, we need to start unify. And at that energy them man I put out in our ear, brother. And you don't, you know, meds me. You answer me one time. Alright. I say, yo, make a link up. You never answer me. See my fucking message. Then now when me look on that, I'm say, alright, then I stay in my fucking lane. I'm gonna say nothing to no man, brother. You did. And just go and do my thing, brother. You go up and fucking interview. I straight the people them, brother. I tell them, say, I link you in the year, yes, which I did. And I say about, oh, me I go stab you up. And oh, when me see you, me I go stab you up. And oh, and me tell you about for suck your mother, brother. Brother, you say, brother, Pine, you know some never this year, brother. You know some never this year, bro. You straight the people, eh? I'm not even got this year, brother, because me now being who me be right now, more mature than you, brother. I don't have time for this thing again, bro. I'm telling you, I don't have time for this thing again, brother. You did. But the fact that you got this and you show me that level of means, brother, you show me say you is a genuine pussy, well, brother. You did. Yeah, brother, and Jaga beat you bad, brother. Jaga beat you bad, car. You put out things in the ear, brother. I cultivate things and make people amends. One bag of fuckery in the source. And Jaga beat you for that. You did. Done with you now, brother. Yeah. World fish. Bro, I don't even have time for meds here, bro. Like, you so fucking stupid, bro. Like, bro. Bro, yeah. It's like, my silence, I fuck with you. I don't have time for you again, world fish, brother. Real men's, brother. You did. You diss me in your place, brother. I'm going to take the diss, brother, and shoot out, brother. And if you don't feel like someone a beat because, yeah, it probably feels good licking. Only they even know the predicament, bro. Only they even know what happened, brother. Only they even know say I set the man them set up, man, brother. And it was a case where I only had two choices, bro. It's either I'm going to take a this or the man them fuck with my life, sir, or fuck with my career, sir, and with your brother. You did. Me didn't even know that. The smartest thing for do I take the this and shoot out. Time for make them take my life, though. The man even go up on live and I show on the dog, I talk and I show and I say, yo, brother, we should have beaten it that way. We should have make them drive you out and do this and that. When you see everything when you hear them, brother. You did. Refish them see you, dog. Avoid me down, dog. You go up on live and chat with one bag of man, brother. What the fuck? Bro. You're 9, bro. You're 9, bro. I'm a silencer. It a fuck with you. You did. Yeah, brother. Stop living off of my name, brother. Certain man stop living off of my name too, brother. And just a call up my name. I understand. Boy, I'm gonna make it look like food for the poor. Also, when you make it look like food for the poor, you just have to just call up Kyngtavii name on YouTube and make a food. You need to stop, brother. And it's not like when I call up my name on the positivity. When I call up my name on some genuine negative shit, dog. call me name on some positivity, brother. Talk about mosquito and talk about the work we put in, brother. People are gonna rate you for that. Nobody not fucking rate you if you this Kyngtavii youth. Yeah. Let me see now. Cashment. Boy, Cashment. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, Cashment, dog. He's off. Cashment, you're so stupid, bro. You are so stupid, Cashment. Cashment, you are so stupid, bro. Yeah. Cashment, yo, Cashment, you're stupid, bro. It's like, bro, to all you deal with the thing and everything, bro. I mean, you know, have nonsense at all, brother. Like, you disrespect everybody. Like, let's not. You will talk about that. I will just allow the disrespect part. And your style is star of the show to Dawg. You know, I will talk about that. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. Cause me involved, brother. But the fuck say. It's stupid as fuck, brother. It's just funny as fuck, brother. Like, that listen with them people when me just call, brother. It's just so fucking stupid as fuck. Find that they tell like some genuine fucking lie out of him mouth. I'm not understand who the fuck influence him for do that. Worldfish did it, so yeah, live for my name. And him see him one day I try to kiss off for me, brother. That brother, something wrong with you. Something definitely wrong with you. And Cashment is stupid as fuck. Dog, it just, all of this never make no sense. All of this never make no sense. I try to make me look like I'm mentally ill. Brother, I'm mentally ill. Don't try to deflect on your insecurity upon me, brother. Don't try to put your insecurity upon me, brother. You did. On the jealous of me, brother. Don't try to rub that jealousy upon me, brother. You did. Stay on the fucking lane, brother. Stop calling my name, brother. When I get hurt, bro. When I get hurt, bro. Stop calling my name, bro. You realize I'm silent, I'm not saying nothing to you. Stop calling my name, bro. Yeah, I just have a laugh off what the fuck. Oh, stupid Cashment be for OMD with that production. Yo, oh my god. I say go. A clan will say at the end of the day, brother. You did. No make nobody fool you, no, brother. The source there. At the end of the day, I know everything, you know, brother. I just true me not talk, you know, brother.